Hello students, we will learn in integrals exercise 7.1. Before solving the questions, I will tell few formula. That is nothing but you know that integration of x to the power of n dx can be written as x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus some integration constant c. Here n should not be equal to minus 1. If it is 1, okay, so n should not be equal to minus 1. If it is minus 1 plus 1 it cancels and it is 0, then it is not defined or infinity you can say. So n should not be equal to minus 1. So here x is variable, x can be said as it is a variable, and n is nothing but constant. So one or two example I will take. So instead of, if you take n is equal to 2 here, so it is like this: x to the power 2 dx, integration of x square dx is equal to x 2 as it is plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1, which is nothing but x cube divided by 3 plus some integration constant c. Okay, if I take x to the power of 9, so it will be what? With respect to x we are integrating, so it will be x to the power 9 plus 1 divided by 9 plus 1, which is nothing but x to the power of 10 divided by 10 plus some integration constant c. Okay, like that. One more important, this is one important formula. Next, one more formula I will take. Some integration of sin x dx means you can write here, this is very important, it is minus sign, here it will come, so this will be cos x plus some integration constant c. Similarly, another formula you can take here, integration of cos x dx. Here there is no minus sign, positive of sin x plus integration constant c you can take. So like that, instead of sin x, if they have mentioned like this sin 2x, if they have mentioned like this sin 2x, how to solve? Integration of sin 2x into dx. So integration, how to do the integration? You know the integration of sin x. Sin x integration is minus cos x. So minus cos, instead of x here 2x is given. Whatever the angle with respect to x, the whatever the number is there here, that number you write directly in the denominator of the minus cos 2x plus c. This will be the integration. Okay, plus c is the integration constant. Similarly, cos 3x, if it is there, is equal to cos x, integration is here, sin x you can write, instead of x here it is 3x, so write 3x as it is divided by whatever the angle here, whatever the number is there with respect to x, you write 3 here plus integration constant c. So simple. And is it simple? Okay, so please remember like this, so that you will get the idea. So let us move to the exercise question directly. Exercise first one is given that first question is sin 2x. We need to find the integral or antiderivative of the given example. So here integration of sin 2x dx means already just now we have solved here. So you can write here, tell me first, sin 2x dx is equal to integration of sin 2x, x sin x is minus cos x, so minus, here it is 2, so 2x divided by whatever here it is there, that 2 we have to write plus c. See how simple it is. Okay, similarly second question, again it is cos 3x. So cos 3x means integration of cos 3x you have to take. Again just now we have solved this one. Integration of cos x is, you know that, sin x. So sin you can write, here it is 3x, so write 3x divided by whatever here it is 3, so write in the denominator 3 plus c. See over how simple it is. So now you got sin 2x and cos 3x integration already over. Now we will go for the question number 3. Okay, what is question number 3? Given that e to the power of 2x, so we need to solve integration of 2x dx. How to solve this one? See, you know that before solving this one I will tell something here. Integration of ex dx can be written as e to the power of x plus c. Okay, this is the formula. Integration of e to the power of x into dx is equal to e to the power of x plus c. So here also it is e to the power of x, x means here 2x, so in the sin 2x whatever here it is there we have written 2 na, so with respect to x here it is 2, so divided by 2 you write plus c over. Simple, like this you can write. Suppose if it is integration of e to the power of 4x dx, then also you can write like this, e to the power of 4x here with respect to x it is 4, divided by 4 you can write plus c over simple. Okay, like that you can solve. So see here, fourth question is ax plus b whole square. So you can write this integration of ax plus b whole square into dx. So apply this formula, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. You can solve this in different method, but in simple way I will tell. You know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Apply this one in the simple way. So a square means ax here. This is nothing but your a and this is nothing but your b. So here you can write a square means a square x square, plus you can write this is integration sign as it is. So this implies, so here it is b means b square here plus 2abx you can write. So just go through this. If you are not getting also, just you go through this. These are all simple things. So now you can make it like with respect to dx. So now separate it, integration of a square x square plus integration of b square plus integration of 2abx you can write. So for each and every term here it will be dx will be there, here also dx will be there. So integration means constant you have to take out. A square is constant, so a square is constant. You know that x square, what is the integration of x square? Just I told now, x to the power of n can be written as integration of this one can be written as x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c na. So if you apply this one, x square 1 add plus 1, so it will be x cube by divided by 3 plus here it is b square is constant, so you can take b square outside. So here 1 means x here. Okay, 1 means what? How can you do? 1 means x you can take. Okay, integration of 1 is x. So here 2ab is constant, so integration of x is x square by 2 you can write here. So here you can take 2 to get cancels. So what is the remain answer? Plus c you can write the constant. So this will be a square x cube divided by 3 plus b square x plus abx square plus c you can write. So if you want you can have the proof also. Integration of 1. So integration of 1 dx can be written as like this. How? X to the, this can be written as integration of x to the power of 0 dx. So x to the power of 0, any number to the power 0 is 1, you know. So please go through that. Okay, very simple thing. So this can be written as x to the power of 0 plus 1 divided by 0 plus 1 into, okay, so this will be what? X to the power of 1 by 1, that is nothing but what? X only na. So integration of 1. Suppose integration of 2 is there, 2x, integration of 3x, integration of 10x, integration of 10 is 10x, like that you can remember. So this is the answer. Okay, similarly you can go for question number 5. What is question number 5? Just go through this. Sin 2x minus 4 e to the power of 3x. So integration of sin 2x you can separate like this, minus integration of 4 e to the power of 3x dx. So tell me fast what is that? Sin 2x you know already, sin x is minus cos x. So integration of sin x is minus cos x. So here x is 2x, so divided by 2 you can write. Okay, minus 4 you can take outside. So e to the power of 3x, e to the integration of e to the power of x is, that can be written as e to the power of x only plus c, so into dx. So you can write here divided by, here it is 3, so write 3 plus c. This is the answer. Okay, question number 5. Now go for the question number 6. What is question number 6? Go through that. Integration of 4 e to the power of 3x plus 1 dx. Okay, so you can make it this one like this, integration of 4 e to the power of 3x dx plus integration of 1 dx. So as you know this one 4 is constant, so take it 4 outside. So here e to the power of 3x, you know, integration of e to the power of 3x, tell me fast. So e to the power of 3x divided by, here it will be 3, so plus integration of 1, just now we told integration of 1 is x plus c. So this is the answer you can say. So simple way. Next go for the question number 7. See, question number 7 looks like bigger, so just you make it like this, take it x square, multiply like this, x square into 1 is x square, minus x square into 1 is x square, divided by x square. So into dx you can write. So here x square get cancels, so this can be written as like this. So this one be x square minus here x square get cancels means 1, so dx here. So this will be what? integration of x square minus integration of 1 dx. Here also dx will come. What is the tell me fast, what is x to the you know integration of x to the power of n dx is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c na. So use this formula fast, x cube divided by 3 it is x cube divided by 3 minus integration of 1 you know already it is x plus some integration constant. So this is the answer. So you can write integration of 2 dx, it can be written as 2x, integration of 4 dx can be written as 4x. Similarly integration of 1 dx can be written as x, some plus c plus c plus c integration constant will be there. So like that you can remember. Next to go move for the question number 8. So this is the question, so don't get feel bored, this is very important topic. So this can be separated, ax square plus dx you can write, integration of bx dx plus integration of c dx you can write. So what is this? A can be taken outside constant, integration of x square dx plus b can be taken out, x dx. Here c can be taken, 1 will remain dx. Okay, so now a will be as it is x square. Tell me fast, what is the integration of x square here? It will be x cube by 3 plus b as it is. What is the integration of x dx? X square divided by 2 plus c. What is the integration of 1? It is x plus some c constant you can take. Instead of c you can take any other also, d also. Here abc all are there, so you will take the constant, integration constant sum. It is integration constant, integration constant. Okay, so next we will go for question number 9. So this is the question. So make it like this, integration of 2x square into dx plus integration of e to the power of x into dx. So what is this? 2 can be taken outside, so integration of x square dx plus here integration of e to the power of x into dx. So 2 will be like this. So x square, tell me fast, what is the integration of x square? So x cube by 3. So plus here it will be integration of e to the power of x, e to the power of x plus some constant. So this will be the answer. Okay, next we will go for the question number 10. So question number 10 is like this. You can here it is a minus b whole square formula is there now. You can apply here a plus b whole square formula, this also, as you know, a square plus b square plus 2ab. If you take plus, you should take a as this one and b as complete minus a as root x and b as minus 1 by root x. So if you take like this 1 by root x, what you can write here, integration of, you can take like this, you can take here root x whole square a square plus minus 1 by root x whole square plus 2 into a is root x into b is minus 1 by root x you can take, correct. So here root x get cancels, this root and square get cancels. So what is here remaining? Here it will be dx only in the bracket. So this will be integration of root x, means this is x cancelling, and this one will be plus 1 by x only, because square is there, minus 1 square is 1 only, root x square is x only, that is root x into root x, you know already it is x. Okay, so this one will be here plus into minus minus, so 2 it is into dx here. So now you tell me what is this? Integration of x is, you know already, integration of x is x square by 2 plus what is the integration of 1 by x? You know that already, the integration of 1 by x dx is equal to log of x, so base e plus log x e. This is the formula, just you have to remember. Okay, so minus constant is there, so constant means with respect to this variable you have to write 2x, so plus constant c you can write. So x square by 2 plus log x to the base e minus 2x plus c is the answer. Okay, so other questions you can do, but 11th question is a little bit different, so I will tell the 11th question also, then afterwards up to 22 question you can solve. If you have any doubt you can comment me and ask me any question, I will solve and send you. Okay, so question number 11 is like this. So you divide by x square to all the terms, so it will be integration of x cube by x square plus 5x square divided by x square minus 4 by x square into dx it is. So this x square get cancelled, this x square and this 2 get cancelled, so only here remains x plus 5 minus 4. So x square, suppose 1 by x square is there, this can be written as x to the power minus 2. Suppose x to the power of n is there, so this can be x to the power of minus n. So here also x to the power of minus 2 you can write. Okay, so if you integrate this one, this implies what? Integration of x dx plus 5 into integration of 5 dx minus integration of 4 x to the power of minus 2 dx. This will be like this. Okay, separating all the terms. So here if it is like the, what is the integration of x? Tell me first. Okay, telling that how many times sir is asking what is the integration of x, that is okay, x square by 2 plus here it will be 5, so 1x means here it will be x minus 4. So x to the power of minus 2 means you can write like this. X to the power of n means what? Integration of x to the power of n is x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 na? So similarly x to the power of minus 2 means x to the power of minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. What is this? Minus 1 divided by, it will be minus 1. So this will be x to the power of minus 1 divided by minus 1. So our answer will be x square by 2 plus 5x. Here it will be minus, here it is minus, minus into minus, it will be plus 4. So x to the power of minus 1 can also be written as 1 by x. So you can write here into 1 by x, or you can write x square by 2 plus 5x plus 4 by x plus some integration constant you can write here. So this will be the answer. So you can go for other questions also. So you can see this other questions here. So question number 12, here it is there. So here all the question up to question number 22 you can solve. If you have any doubt you can comment me and ask me the question. So now whatever I told now, you have to remember these all the formulae so that you can solve these all full exercise very easily. Okay.